Go.
Go. Wala. Kita ko
At lang.
pala.
Nagkanto ko lang, pwede ko lang ganun.
I love Slater.
I said
Grabe
it!
siya.
I heard my name. Ang sabi niyo?
Susugatan ka ba?
Okay.
Nasugatan.
Wait lang.
Uy! Okay, go.
Okay.
Hindi ko kayo bibirahin. Go lang kayo ng go.
Pangilan na yun? 18?
Teka.
Basta 7 times 7. Pag Carlo na, 7:21 na tayo. Pag Carlo.
21?
Kanino na tayo? Later.
Slater, so Jason. Hirap maging matangkad.
Jason na ngayon.
Ako, sunod Jason.
You okay, Ryan?
Yeah. You're pulling my hair. Stop. Oh! My back! Ah!
Okay, go.
Make us in. Just keep screaming. Scream if you want
As
to
a
scream.
point, as a strategy, I would risk a point at Pamo at the beginning.
Me? Bucket.
Because he's having a difficult
Okay,
time.
go. Hama, beginning. You're the
Just
beginning.
sacrifice the point.
Okay.
Go.
No, he doesn't. I didn't see that, but... Go. Yun.
Okay.
Katayin na si Tin.
Yeah, that's in.
Okay ka lang, Ate Belay? Oo, kailan ko. Basta. Mag-move ka na mag-move.
Sabihin nyo pag hindi nyo na...
Okay lang.
Pag-ugo ka lang. Grabe naman, guys. It's so
Ligo ka?
funny.
Liligo ka?
Di ba nag-i-enjoy na rin kayo?
Ikaw na sunod.
Kasi alam niyo, wala sobrang
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Aray!
Sorry.
Sige ka. Sige na po. Okay, go, Jenny. You wanna switch your...
Okay ka, Viney? Am I hurting you?
I'm okay. Can't do anything.
Okay ka, Ate Meray?
Over ka, okay.
Pakilakas lang po nung words, saka yung names.
I love Jason!
Miras.
Miras, Jason Miras.
Jason Miraz.
Oy, balik doon. Ba't may apelido?
Ang bakit? Ang kulit!
Ate Meray, I love you talaga. Please.
Damn, Jason till us.
You okay, Viney?
Okay pa kayo?
What do you want?
Lalakad tayo, stop.
What do you want me to do?
Ikaw na hindi nahihirapan yan. Ikaw hindi tatanong na ganyan, ha?
Even if I'm straight, it's Sabihin nyo pag titigil ako, ha? No, keep going. Oh, sige, keep going. Go on, go. Just keep going. Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Ano yan? Dahan-dahan lang.
Viney.
Ano?
Ano gusto mo?
I can't because I can't get my shit.
There. Okay. There.
Close to the wall.
Yan. Yan. Yan.
Oh,
Okay.
side, girls.
Yan. Viney.
Aray.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Oh, move in a bit.
Nanis mo nila.
Okay lang.
Sino sunod?
Paco.
Our favorite.
Pag si Paco na pang 20 na.
Good.
20?
We have 30 more, guys.
Sorry.
Okay lang, don't worry. Come a little bit faster.
Faster pa. Si Ate Melay.
Yep.
The sooner we get this done, the better.